So I'm out in my garden today doing a little flower picking. I've been slightly obsessed with my flowers this year, and the flowers are going to be my inspiration for some of the miniature canvas art that I create today from some ideas I found on Pinterest using the DIY paint. DIY paint now comes in several colors that are in the 2-ounce size, so pick those up while you can. You can shop aimeemamabearblue.com and check those out. It's a great way to do small projects, and also if you're just wanting to test out some paint colors, that's an easy way to do that. Also, I want to let you know that this video is part of a collaboration with other DIY retailers. We are doing a Pinterest challenge using the new DIY paint in the 2-ounce size. So be sure to check out that link below and watch the other videos for more creative ideas. So for this Pinterest challenge, I found some miniature florals by L. Byers and Wendy Brightville. I think these are adorable. So I'm going to use some DIY paint and recreate this look on some miniature canvases, and also thought it would be fun to try some collage art, something similar to this. So for this challenge, we were given 4 colors of the DIY paint in the 2-ounce size. I chose Kissing Booth, Blue Iris, Queen Bee, and White Swan. I'm also going to be using some canvas paper. So I got started on the background by using Kissing Booth, Blue Iris, and a little bit of White Swan, and blended that all together for a nice colorful background. So these little miniatures are just supposed to be fun, loose, painterly style, so I'm not going to get too precise about anything. DIY paint is really great for canvas art. I started using it about 5 years ago. It blends really nicely, and I can even use it right alongside acrylics in the same painting. But you can come back to this a couple days later and reactivate it with water as long as you haven't sealed it, and it will continue to blend. And here I'm just doing a little bit of negative painting, which is actually painting the background to even out the edges of the object. So I matched that color to the background, and I'm just kind of cleaning up some of the edges. Now I'm going to start painting the flowers. I'm just mixing up some Queen Bee and Kissing Booth and creating an orange shade. And I'm just kind of putting flowers wherever I feel like it. I will try to make one flower the focal point. Whenever you're painting, you do need to have some kind of focal point, so I will probably put that right at the top. Lay in some green for the leaves and stems. DIY paint is a clay-based paint. It's heavily pigmented, and I was able to mix up lots of really pretty vibrant colors. I love this little set of detail brushes. I ordered them from Amazon, but they are great for little paintings like this. I will put my affiliate link in the description box if you're interested in picking those up. I honestly could have stopped right here. I think that's one of the problems that I have sometimes, is just thinking I need to keep going, that it's not enough. But it turned out okay, but honestly, watching this back, I probably could have stopped a little earlier, but that's all right. More is okay sometimes. When I was finished with this one, I did do another one the same size to coordinate with it, so you'll see that in just a minute. The 3 frames that I'll be using today I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I think a couple of them were actually on clearance, so that's always a bonus. I decided I'd go ahead and paint the 2 wooden ones white, so that's what I'm doing here. This is White Swan, and I'll be using DIY liquid patina, which is a sealer and also a decoupage medium that you'll see later in the video. And this is the finished matching pair of floral bouquets. So now it's time to try that collage art. I'm going to be using the IOD Brayer and 3 different IOD stamps, one called Birds and Branches, and the other called Pastiche, and the last one, Mercy House. So I'm going to stamp some images onto the canvas paper. You can also use a paintbrush to apply the paint to the stamp. It just goes on a little heavier, but that's what I did here for the leaves, and it turned out fine. I really love this stamp from the Mercy House set, and I don't end up using this paper in this project, but I know I will in the future. I love that. So these are the pieces that have been cut out, and they are ready to collage. For this project, I'm using a thrifted piece of home decor and painting it with White Swan. Using the DIY liquid patina here as a decoupage medium, and when this is completely finished, I'll put 1 complete coat of the patina over the whole project. There are 12 top-selling colors available in the 2-ounce size, so be sure to check out the link to those in the description box. They're available at aimeemamabearblue.com. And just a reminder, this video is part of the DIY Paint New Product launch collaboration, and that playlist link is in the description box below. And here's how they turned out. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and if you plan on trying some miniature canvas art or canvas collage projects. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.